Folks, if I could ask you to keep moving, please. We're on a long line here.
You said you went to Florida?
Yes.
I was surprised to see that. Andrew.
So we got to be inside an old baggage truck.
You don't mind, do you?
No, not at all.
Mary used to wear her green hat with the pom-pom on the top. Mary used to wear this hat when she was young that had a big pom-pom. It was green with a big pom-pom on top.
We are indeed.
This is going to get more customers. Every one of these little kids is going to stay in
At the end of the draft, as far as the store.
I hope they sell magnets.
the 900 series electrics and also metal that's what I heard. It was run by not anymore, thank you. Notice it looks like a cord of time of
It's the same as railroad signals on Long Island.
Position light. And you got the EMD controls right here. Going an MP15.
This is what it looks like?
Yeah.
Wow.
Standard EMD. Quickly.
Hello there.
How are you, sir?
All right, yourself?
Good. I came over here and I left the other guys over at Riverhead.
Oh.
They're over there and I'm here today.
Have fun, we'll see you later.
Let's move along.
Steve.
Alright, not rushing you. Be careful now.
What's the president of the list? Steve Quigley?
Of the,
Long Island Sunrise Central.
gotcha.
I'm the vice president of 24. I think I told you.
Yeah.
The president's going on here. He ordered that.
Thanks.
St. Mary's.
Oh wow.
I wouldn't be surprised if it was.
Maybe it's really now? It's the same?
They even got like cigarette things.
Back then they just... I had this car and...
What? That TV's so old right there. That TV is an LCD.
We can actually just keep moving through the labs because a lot of people out.
Toilet.
Just take a quick glimpse in there. Thank you. It's warm in this one.
Mr. Boyd just commented on my photo.
I know.
Wow. There you go. Happy dining in its best. Oh, man.
Oh, Carol.
There's people going into the other cars, too.
That is an X-ray. Yes, it's a different area. We're trying to restore.
I didn't realize that, man.
Oh, you want to go in there?
So this is the no, this is not the diner, no.
No, this is the regular sleeper. Trying to get okay. So this is
We're going to Lakeshore Limited.
Lakeshore Limited.
New York to Chicago.
I gotta try the next time I go to Chicago.
These are the roomettes right here.
Oh
wow.
Roomettes they're taking down to bunks.
They're taking them down?
Yeah, I took them down to exhibit. Yeah.
The seats are fine, but you know, I guess over 18 hours.
Kind of cramped quarters.
Oh, these are the beds.
Look up on the top, Owen.
Yeah, look at that.
So is there shared bathroom then, I'm assuming, with the rest of the train?
Yeah.
Like bunk beds on the train. So cool.
Some of them will have the full width, right? You're coming up. I'll show you. It's at the end.
Yeah, cool.
These are the regular roomettes. Now, this is the body right here. Sorry.
No, wait, look. This is
These are the full suites right here. And you have right here. And the little sink over here. And there's a shower. There's like a shower in there too.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. Yeah, it's like.
air conditioner.
This one, Owen. Look at this. Look at this room.
There's another room right here. Watch it back. I don't want to hit you with this.
Hey, you want to go down?
That's the whole bedroom. Look at this. It's nice.
I think they took this one up to Spike Nival and they took it down. Actually, no one took it down. That's what I think.
Oh, this came down from Spite and Dival?
Probably. Because this is the Lakeshore Limited.
Oh, right, exactly. Because that's where the split is, right over there.
Right.
Yeah.
They ran up the west side line.
Yeah.
Now this is the new diner right here.
All right, Metro took it down, I see. Went up to Spite and came down the east side then.
Right, probably, yeah.
Under Marble Hill. Yeah.
Oh my God, did they do a nice job on this? Wow. This is the Viewliner Diner right here.
It's the new dining car. It is in service, yes, sir, and then extra limited.
Zach, look what they did with the kitchen.
Yeah, I'll take a look.
This is like a grand home the way they rebuilt this car. Yeah, they really rebuilt this nice. I know. Wow. It's a good way of recycling cars.
The 400 series diner.
This is nice and roomy, I'm not close to over. Oh, this is very nice.
I think all the new coaches are supposed to be built like this. We're in the Beach Grove now.
Conference area dining room here. Behind me through the windows, a full galley kitchen.
Wow.
Welcome aboard. This is the Amtrak office car used by the officers of the company when they travel about the system. Welcome aboard. This is the Amtrak office car used by the officers of the company when they travel about the system. Conference area dining room here. Welcome aboard the Amtrak office car used by the officers of the company when they travel about the system.